Okay, we start with Smartsheets. So for task and project management, it allows you to create and organize tasks, set deadline, and assign responsibilities. It helps to keep everyone on the same page regarding what needs to be done and by when. So you have the before, the start and end dates, and all of that. And you can assign, you can actually send messages in Smartsheets to different team members. Collaboration. It helps to collaborate in real time in Smartsheets, making it easy to share updates, discuss ideas, and coordinate efforts. So that's what I was saying. You can send messages in Smartsheets on a particular line item. You can actually send a message to whoever is assigned to it to find out the status of it in Smartsheets. You don't have to go and Slack them or send them a G chat or anything like that. Right in there, you can send a message to them, and they'll get in their email. Resource planning. So Smartsheets also offers tools for resource management, such as tracking team availability, allocating resources to different tasks, and managing budgets. It helps ensure that resources are being used effectively and projects stay on track. So here you could just create like different sheets managing all of these different resource planning items. Reporting and dashboards. Smartsheet provides reporting features that allow teams to visualize the project data. And you have options. You can have like, of course, the dashboard. You can have like a grid. You can have like a Gantt chart. So it's different ones based on what works for you, right? And I typically like the grid. Okay, I keep it very, very simple. I don't like using the Gantt style, but a lot of other people like it too. So customized dashboards make it easy to monitor key metrics, and you'll be able to make data driven decisions, because if you see where the project is and you realize that you wouldn't be able to meet the deadline, you'd be able to now make certain decisions based on the needs of the project. So Smartsheets is cool like that. So this is what the interface of Smartsheets looks like. Let me try to zoom in. Okay, great. So here you see, the project plan. You can create like a report as to what's in progress. So it's here, task summary report. You see it says overdue task report. So you have all of these things that shows you what's going on in your project. And then you have the project dashboard, which has like everything: what's overdue, what's been completed, what's ahead, um, the project team members, and all of that. And then you have the grid view that I was talking about. This is what the grid view looks like. And then you have the task, you have who it's assigned to, their location, like the percentage, the start and end date, and then the project health. And so if something is delayed or overdue, it's definitely going to show a red. If it's, on the verge, it'll show a yellow. And then if it's good, like these ones, because it's not been started, it's just green. And then you have notes. You can definitely go ahead and make notes in there. And then remember, I mentioned that you can send messages. So you can just click on this particular one, and it will give you the option to send a message. And so in this case, if I wasn't the person it was assigned to, I could just send a message to the person it was assigned to, and then they would be able to communicate with them via Smartsheets. So that's cool. One of the cool features on it. But I'll go more into detail when we have the project example. But this is what the interface looks like. Pretty simple. At first, it might seem like more complicated than it is, but as you keep using it, keep playing around with it, you'll be able to figure it out. It's fun. I like it. Are you aspiring to enter the world of project management, but you're feeling lost on where to start? Let me guide you through every step of the journey, from crafting a standout resume and finding the perfect roles to mastering interview techniques and negotiating an ideal salary. I've got you covered on all of that. Plus, I'll be sending you job alerts twice every week. I'll also ensure that your LinkedIn profile shines bright, drawing recruiters to you like a magnet. With my expert guidance, you'll be well equipped to excel in the competitive field of project management. So don't wait. Go to www.pathwaystopm.com/coaching today.